Welcome everyone. Since you can't attend the show, we will bring the show to you. And over the next 15 minutes, you will see the full range of new developments from IDEAL and the one-stop shopping concept. And this is what we have prepared. Let's start. IDEAL's fastest welder, mesh welder, the GM816, using assistant reality by IDEAL for service, serial machines, solutions for simple wire connections, and innovative maintenance through augmented reality by IDEAL. IDEAL has developed an extremely fast mesh welder, the GM816, and Oliver is the expert in IDEAL for mesh welders. He knows exactly what the people are looking for and our customers are looking for. Welcome, Oliver.
Hi to everyone here at the IDEAL live show.
And before we have a chat with Oliver, let's have a view on the highlights of the machine. Oliver, we could see how incredibly fast this machine is. What makes it state-of-the-art?
As you said, first of all, the unbelievable speed. We weld up to 200 strokes per minute. This is approximately 30% faster as we did before, and even faster than our highly valued competitors.
What does it mean specifically?
Beside the cycle time, we focused on the quick changeover system of the machine in order to minimize the machine downtimes. The main focus was a simple and self-explaining handling system on all of this without tools. Beside this, we also put a big focus on the secondary circuit. So in this case, we developed a system where we can use the medium frequency in combination with 1, 2 or even more secondary circuits for the combination of different input materials such as line wire and flat strip in order to make the welding job in one shot. So the whole machine concept is based on speed.
I know IDEAL is always listening very carefully to our customers and developing accordingly. So what else can I put on my wish list?
Basically, there are almost no limits. IDEAL is able to provide all solution from manual loading up to a fully automated solution. This is IDEAL's well-known strength. In close collaboration with our customers, we are able to supply all solutions depending on the needs and of course the level of automation from one single source. This means our customers do not have to deal with different suppliers because IDEAL is providing the complete solution.
I guess speed is important, so can you integrate an automatic loading device as well?
Of course we can. As you can see in the video, we can work with automated loading by line wire magazines in combination with preloading magazines for higher capacity. We can integrate also NC-driven input devices for the automatic loading of the system. We can combine different magazines such as flat strip magazines and line wire magazines for material combination. We can also use totally customized solution based on the needs of the customer we have the possibility to integrate complete automated changeover systems for the guiding rails and guiding heads, fully NC driven. And we are well known to provide complete customized solutions. In this case, you can see a machine which we did together with one of our customers for a cable tray. So here, beside the mesh welding machine, we integrate different items such as a complete autarkic working cropping unit. Here you can see how we can do the cropping and 600 millimeters in one step. We can integrate different line wire, different linear guides, turning devices, special head cut systems, and of course integrate conveyors and other solutions for the unloading process. In this particular case, we also developed together with our customers a complete new system for the cross-wire loading. That means we have a so-called cassette system where we just fill in the cassettes and the loading process is done fully automatically. We can also use different kind of stacking systems, in this case a stacking device for a fencing line. We can implement robot handling for the handling process in general or nesting function. We have also the possibilities to do different bending devices into the machine. And here you can see again the unbelievable speed of the machine. In order to minimize the downtime of the machine, we can also use NC-driven laser guiding systems or manual laser guided systems, which are showing the position of the cylinders, magnets and other items just to minimize the downtimes of the machine in order to be faster in the whole process.
Since the machine is so fast, isn't there a need for additional service, maintenance, spare parts replacements?
Sure, this might happen, but quality and reliability have always been the highest priority at IDEAL. We have a very high production depth. That means we are producing around 80% of the parts by ourselves, and this guarantees the highest standard of quality. And all of this made in Germany. This is part of our excellent reputation all over the world. But my colleague from our service department, Winfried, can tell you more about this. He is also going to show us the new assisted reality system, where you can support our customers on site without being there by himself.
A really excellent development. Thank you, Oliver.
You're welcome.
So, if there is a need for additional service, IDEAL has prepared something. And to give you a first insight, let's see.
Unexpected downtime may occur in day-to-day production. Every second costs money. To minimize such downtime and to guarantee the fastest help possible, we offer our clients a remote audio-visual connection to our service department. And that can simply be done via multifunctional glasses. In the event of an error report, all that is required is a call via the new IDEAL service. The IDEAL service technician can see everything that the client can see through the glasses. The voice connection will then also operate via the multifunctional glasses. The IDEAL service technician, together with the operator, can then locate the fault more exactly and work out solutions. In addition, our service department can not only give spoken instructions, but also project instructions in symbols and text onto the image in the multifunctional glasses display, which the client can also see. With the new remote audiovisual connection to our service department, in the event of a service intervention, our clients save a lot of time and money in many scenarios.
Welcome to the live stream, Winfried. Winfried is our service expert. So you can repair a machine at the site without needing to be there?
Hi Axel, yes, that is correct. In practice, the customers contact us by telephone and request a reality service session. And as soon as the customer has logged into the IDEAL service app, our technician can start the service for them. It is possible to do this service or reality service with any smartphone or tablet, but the best way is to use the smart glasses. Here I have one of them. You have on the right side a camera. You have in front, you have the screen where the technician can project advices or instructions. You have in this camera, you have speakers also and a microphone. So the big benefit of this camera is that you have your hands free for working.
Are there any other benefits?
Yes, it is basically is the benefit that the technician can project instructions with the help of text files, with the help of drawings or just arrows to mark parts which the customer should adjust. For me, the major benefit is that we can support the customer from any place in the world every time to be and don't have to be there by ourselves. So this is the big benefit.
Can it be used on any IDEAL machine?
Yes, it can be used on any mesh welders, butt welders, serial machines. Also, it's all possible.
Really great stuff. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, however, IDEAL is not developing mesh welders and services only. We have a huge portfolio of serial machines as well. So many different machines from IDEAL's one-stop shopping concept. At that point, I would like to welcome Olaf. Olaf is our expert for augmented reality. So what else can you present?
I'll show you how easy the service with augmented reality is.
That's interesting, but before we talk, let's have a look.
In the age of digitalization, being able to efficiently and effectively retrieve any desired information with pinpoint accuracy should be possible. The quick provision of information regardless of the time is essential, especially with service. The time has come for augmented reality by IDEAL. Augmented reality by IDEAL is forming the bridge between the digital and the real world. Digital images can be projected via the real machine. With the help of digital media, e.g. a tablet, every activity can be represented and then performed by the service technician on the real machine for every single step of the work process. An additional highlight, it's a non-verbal tool, and as such, no language barriers. Augmented reality by IDEAL is the ultimate tool for minimizing downtime, reducing costs, making more effective use of service technicians, and keeping operating manuals always up to date in terms of quality.
Now, Olaf, I'm really curious.
Augmented reality builds the bridge between the digital and the real world. Digital photos lay over the real machine, and in this case, we can show all the steps for the technician directly on this tablet.
So, what are the benefits of augmented reality by IDEAL?
The most important thing in the service is to have all the service informations immediately and without searching through paper documentation.
Can it be used on any IDEAL machine?
Yes, of course. With augmented reality, we have the ultimate tool to reduce service times, costs, and our manuals are always up to date and on a high level.
That's really amazing. Thank you, Olaf.
You're welcome.
So, this has been our live stream from Lippstadt, IDEAL in Germany. Thank you for spending time with us. Stay healthy, take care. Bye, the IDEAL team.
Bye.